The Hansa YL1400A Vertical Machining Center is designed to provide a cost-effective solution for high-speed, high-accuracy machining operations. The YL1400A provides X-axis travel of 1400 mm, Y-axis travel of 610 mm, and Z-axis travel of 610 mm. With linear ways on 3 axes, X, Y, Z axis rapid traverse rates of 36, 36, and 24 meters per minute, and 10,000 RPM spindle speed, the YL1400A provides higher machining efficiency, higher accuracy, and superior surface finishes. The machine is equipped with a number 40 10,000 RPM belt drive spindle as standard, and 12,000 or 15,000 RPM spindle is optional. The YL1400A employs a 24-tool arm-type magazine with 2.5 seconds of tool change time. Hansa YL1400A comes standard with a Fanuc Series OI-MD CNC control with RS-232 transmission interface. The space-saving design of the structural parts are Mehanite cast iron construction, which are tempered to relieve stress, ensuring outstanding structural stability without deformation year after year. At the heart of the structural design is the 4 linear ways on the base that enables the machine to resist heavy load while exhibiting superior stability during high-speed cutting. Precision, heavy-duty linear motion guides are mounted on all 3 axes. These linear motion guides also improve positioning accuracy due to reduced stick slip and low coefficient of friction. Whatever your operations, base milling, end milling, drilling, and tapping, Hansa YL1400A will offer you faster, more profitable production. Below cutting tests will prove its outstanding machining capabilities.